You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to create a zip file on Windows to compress and combine multiple files. First, select all the files and folders you want to include. You can hold down the Ctrl key and click each one or drag a selection box around them. Once selected, right-click on any one of the highlighted items. From the context menu, hover over or click on Send to. Then select Compressed Zipped Folder. Windows will immediately create a new zip file in the same location. The name will be highlighted, allowing you to rename it right away. Press Enter to confirm the name. To add more files to an existing zip, simply drag and drop them onto the zip. Files icon. To extract or view the contents, double-click the zip file. It will open like a folder. To fully extract the files, click Extract All in the toolbar at the top. Choose a destination folder and click Extract. Creating zip files is an excellent way to reduce file size for email attachments or to organize related documents. Together, the process works the same in Windows 10 and Windows 11. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.